Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the front camera on the Google Pixel 3a mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the LCD, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option, and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the screen, and then insert a plastic cut pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. Lift the LCD screen gradually and disconnect the connector plug by undoing two screws and removing the metal shield. There is an adhesive strip on top of the connector. It is missing from this device. If you have the sticky, peel it off and place it while connecting the LCD screen. Next, take out the mid-frame plate by undoing 14 screws. And then, by using a plastic cut pry tool or triangle picker, move around the phone to release the mid-frame clips. Next, lift the mid-frame plate by the bottom to 45 degrees and then release the proximity sensor. And now the mid-frame plate can leave from the body. Next, on the logic board, disconnect the battery connector and followed by disconnecting 5 more connector plugs in the board. Next, to take out the logic board, first loosen the screw and then gently lift it by using a pry tool. Next, flip the logic board and take out the front camera by disconnecting the plug. Next, replace the broken front camera with a new unit and place it on the board. Next, place the logic board on the body and then secure with the screw. Next, secure 5 connector plugs and the battery plug to the logic board. Next, connect the proximity sensor and place the mid-frame by adding 14 screws. Here, we take out the frame's proximity sensor and then connect it to the logic board. When placing the mid-frame, gently prick the sensor through the opening and put it in the frame. We are doing this to eliminate the difficulty of clicking the sensor plug into the board while installing the frame. Next, place the LCD screen on the body and then connect the LCD plug and add the shield by inserting 2 screws and also the tape, which we don't have but you may. Before installing the LCD screen, ensure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided LCD adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie the LCD screen with the body. Leave it for some time and remove it. On the other hand, you can use rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.